Hi, I am Ravi. I have an experience of around 35 years in industry. Basically, started my career in Department of Heavy Industries, Government of India, and worked close to 15 years. Then moved on to the battery industry, and close to 20 years. I worked in different capacities, mainly in research and development in various battery chemistries, mainly for defense and commercial. And in Atria, I am looking after the director of Center of Excellence Battery Engineering. Here we design and deliver the battery courses for students in energy sciences in e-mobility. And the battery courses are mainly on right from the basic electrochemistry till advanced battery engineering. And second is we have set up a prototyping lab for doing new battery chemistries, for developing battery chemistries, which could be an IP for Atria University. And also we look for industry collaborations to scale it up for end applications. So we are mainly targeting on energy storage and EV. So that's about the basic battery lab and CoE in context with Atria University and also with regards to students. Generally basic this battery chemistries are only taught in postgraduate level and in doctoral research. But here in Atria University, we are giving a glimpse of what batteries are for EV and energy storage. How is that actually battery works? That is in the electrochemistry, right till the advanced. What is that going now in the battery arena? What are the different types of battery chemistries? What are the different types of form factors? All this we are going to teach students in this graduate level. That is the main motto of Atria University, and that is the flagship of in the graduation level. Students can experience how a battery basic chemistry can be made. That is called the synthesis. All this sorts of synthesis, manufacturing a coin cell, testing a coin cell, that is a validating, and doing the cell studies with the electrochemical workstation. All these are hands-on experience physically and practically for the student to understand in the grad level. All the synthesis equipment we have in it in our facility, and you can validate the cell. Once the coin cell is made, you can form it. That is nothing but the oxidation and the reduction process, and you can do the life cycle test for it. So that is called the validating machines. They are from Neware, and we have an electrochemical workstation which can do the cell level studies on cyclic voltammetry, rotate voltammetry. All this we can do in house. But for characterization, we go to IAC or outside to get characterization. If not, for manufacture, validating and cell studies, we have and what not in our in-house campus. We welcome researchers across to use our facilities for creating the new battery chemistries or across, and shortly we will be expanding our facilities for manufacturing or prototyping in pouch, prismatic, cylindrical and bleed cells. And thank you. I hope you can contact me over this email for utilization of lab or any other queries. Thank you.